Hello friends, in this video we are going to see 4 interesting tricks in Excel. Like here in these headings the colons are not in equal spaces, but we can put them in equal space, that too automatically. So these colons will appear automatically. We will also see how we can easily copy a vertical line of data to a horizontal line of data. We will also see how we can easily write the names of the month, like just writing the name of one month and drag it to get the other months. It's as simple as that. And the last trick that we will see is adding automatic border to the cell where we write any text. Automatically border will be added to every cell where there is any text data. Hello friends, welcome to my new channel RG's Computer Tips and Tricks. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. So let's learn the 4 very interesting tricks right now. As we were saying, when we write the headers in a data sheet, we put colons after every heading, but the colons does not come in same space. Like in this cell colon is here, in this cell colon is here, in this cell colon is here. But we want the colons to appear aligned somewhere around this margin, somewhere around this margin of the cell, or towards the right end of the column, like this. Here you see the colons are appearing automatically right aligned to the cell. Now how to achieve that? We have to select the cells where we want to apply this formatting. Say we have written in these 4, now we will select these 3 cells and right click on them, go to format cells and then select custom from the category, and in the type section we will type @ space \colon. I am showing it @ space \, and colon, and click on OK. This will put a colon at the right end of the cell. So when we write email, a colon will automatically appear at the right side. Isn't it interesting? Please tell me in the comments if you like this trick. Now moving on to the next trick, that is how we can convert a vertical series of data to a horizontal series of data. First I am deleting this. Now how to do that? First we will select the data, the cells that we want to convert from vertical to horizontal. In our case we have data in these 10 cells, so I have selected those. Now we will press Ctrl C or copy. So we have copied the cells. Now we will go to a blank cell from where we will start the horizontal data. Select the cell, press Ctrl Alt V on the keyboard, then a paste special dialog box will appear. We will select transpose from here and then click on OK. It will automatically insert the vertical data into a horizontal line of data. There is another way of doing this. I am just deleting this now. Selecting this, pressing Ctrl C for copying, selecting the cell where we want to start the series. Now pressing Alt E S. By pressing this shortcut also, the paste special dialog box will appear. We will select transpose from here and click on OK. This way we can convert a vertical series of data to a horizontal series of data. Many a times we need that in our Excel sheet, like for data entry purpose. So now onwards you can easily do that. Moving on to the third trick. If we need to write the name of 12 months, how do we do that? First we write the first 2 months name, January and February. Select these 2 names and click on the fill handler at the corner and then drag it. This gives us names of 12 months. But I will show you another way by which you can create the list of the months. As I have shown in the preview, I have one month's name written here, and if you look at the formula bar, I have written a formula, that is text within bracket date within bracket 2024. You can write any year here, 2024, 2025, 2023, that does not matter. Here we will write row if we are starting from row number 1. As we are starting from row number 1, this will automatically return a value 1, and then we will write 1. This is the date of the month, and within double quote MMMM, 4 M's, and then close the bracket. This is our formula. Now we will press enter, and this will give the result January. And if we click on the fill handler and drag it, it will automatically give the name of 12 months. You see, the formula is same in every row, but since the row value is changed in every cell, we have got different month names in every cell. So in this way we can create the list of name of months. Isn't it very easy and interesting? Now for the next and the last trick, I will show how we can add border to any cell where there is any text data. This one I showed in the preview section, like this. You can see in every cell I am writing something that is automatically getting a border. How to do that? First we have to click here at the corner and select all the rows and columns. Now click on conditional formatting. Go to new rule. Click on format only cells that contain. Select no blanks. Click on format. Click on outline. Select the type of border you want from here. I want a full border, so I am selecting this and clicking on OK. Now clicking on OK. So this will apply on every cell. So wherever you write any text, that will automatically get a border. So up to this in today's video. More tips and tricks will come in my next video. So I request you to please subscribe my channel for my next video updates, and if you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. We will meet again in the new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice time. Thank you for watching.